One of the things I want to point out when it comes to safety as well as opioids, we have, an opioid crisis still going on in America, and cannabis has shown to be a great replacement for opioids, either to help reduce or replace it. And if you look at this chart, which I just like to show people about, the safety profile of these drugs, if you see the Y axis up and down, that is dependence, low to high risk of dependence, and then from left to right is showing the difference between the active dose of a drug and the lethal dose. So if you look at marijuana over here on the left lower corner, you can see, we don't have one case of somebody overdosing and dying on cannabis, and the potential for abuse and addiction is low. Up at the top right, you'll see in red, heroin, morphine, opioids, both a very low lethal dose and a very high dependence potential. So swapping this out greatly will improve your safety profile if that's a medication that you use.